What the pros say when the pressure is on. It's time for mic check.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi, Brad. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hey, listen.
Jojo, what are we eating tonight?
Chipotle.
Chipotle? Alright. Is that if we win?
Yeah.
If we win.
If we win, we get Chipotle?
Yeah.
And if we lose?
Chipotle. Chipotle.
Okay.
Oh, the camera is on you, Rio. Look.
Yeah.
Look up. 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 Look up.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
We're playing League of Legends.
Please get in the lobby for me.
Oh, my CS. I lost my CS. I lost my cannon.
Shame.
Shut up, go back.
Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up.
Oh
Shut
my
up. Just shut
Look
up.
at the Rolex.
Can you please give me pentakill?
No, it's shut up. H2K. TSM.
Didn't mean to make your daughter cry. I apologize a million times.
Hey, give me assist.
Oh,
Can you
major
give me assist?
champion.
I want 100% cook.
I interrupted him, okay? I interrupted you back, okay?
What are we doing?
I interrupted back. Go. I interrupted back.
Come on, flash. Nice.
Okay, I'm pushing.
Shit.
Back up. I can peel for you. I'm peel for you. Okay, go. Yes!
Nice.
Hey, pound it.
Take a look at this. Holy moly. The fucking throttle mechanics is in the house.
Ult in.
No, just talk us.
Chase.
I W cluster, okay?
Chase. And then. I got him. Let's go.
Auto server. She's low.
Go. We're fine. Penta.
Get him.
Steal it. Steal it.
Baby.